trying to decide if I want to stick my power pole in.
Stick it in there, you may as well. And if you don't need it, then you'll take it out.
All right.
May get it shallow water down there.
Yeah. I gotta get in. I'm in the way. The wind is nice. The wind is nice and calm.
Yes, it is. Well, you ain't gonna know how to act with a new drive.
I'm telling you. My goodness.
So it's a good piece on the other side that tip, right?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. I ain't never done it, but that's what it looks like on the map.
Yeah, that's what I sit here and try to figure it out myself. And everybody headed back that way.
Yeah.
Kind of milky.
Yeah. What's up, YouTube? I'm on the water again. Let's check it out today. It's milky. Yeah, it is. It's pretty muddy. What color do you think you're gonna start out with?
Chartreuse.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Well, mine is a little brighter if it's like this today.
You fishing with plastic or are you fishing with tide?
I got a tide on. I'm gonna start out with it. Tide chartreuse.
No.
This is the first time I've been here.
Oh, no.
I heard Mike don't even fish, man. That's what I heard.
You say what?
I heard Mike don't even fish.
Mike, you don't fish?
Ready.
Oh,
Especially with him. Every weekend we go
Yeah, he got line on it. That thing stay in the water somewhere.
we got it pretty dirty last week.
that
Where was that y'all went?
Ray Roberts
Ray Roberts.
Pecan Creek. You ever been there, Bondo?
Man, a kayak give you an experience way different than a big boat. You know, you,
Right there at the water.
man, this I tell people it's like a go-kart on water. That's what it is.
Yeah, they in here, son. Four feet deep. You see them, any? Mike?
Yeah.
D, I see them I got them about at 4 feet.
See fish?
Yeah, 4 feet.
They suspended?
Yeah.
How deep is the bottom? I mean, depth?
I'm in 5 feet of water and they're sitting about 4 feet, so they're foot off the bottom. Yeah, it might be sand bass. They stacked up like sand bass. This brush pile looks so sweet.
Dude just missed one.
Oh, I just missed one too. I just missed one.
Oh, that's good. That's all kind of stuff up under the water over here, man. I'm running into everything.
GoPro started recording.
Oh, I got it this time.
Got a crappie?
Yep. That's a nice crappie. I don't know, it looks like it's about 12 inches long.
Solid.
Solid. And he hit like he meant it. He wasn't playing around with it. And I missed him the first time. He hit it without a crappie bite too. I'm going around on the other side. I think it'd be easier to fish this spot. I don't have to lift the fish over that tree. And maybe I can get to the bigger fish. I got a fish stuck right there. Got him hung in the brush. So can I bring it to me? Oh, hold on, fish. I'll come and get you. Oh, nice one. Nice fish. Look at that sucker there. Yeah, he hit hard and he pulled it down in there, son. Look at that. Nice fish. This thing's full of them right here.
Is it?
Yeah. It's got some little ones in it, but I just caught one nice one over there. I had trouble getting him out. I had to actually go over there and
Dig him out.
because he was hung up in the. I had him to the surface, but he was hung up on a tree limb.
Oh, okay.
That's the nice thing about these kayaks. You can pull yourself over there and stick your hand in the water and get it done. You good. Hey guys, I got a guest star here today. Look at that fish he done pull out of the creek.
What's going on, folks? What's going on? Got a little old black crappie here. Trying to get him situated. I left my string in the truck. Wiley blessed me. Gave me some paracord. Make me a little makeshift stringer. So we're gonna keep it together.
I'm gonna throw on a natural color right. get him out of there.
Trying one of the Dead River baits. I
Oh.
caught a couple on the Dead River baits.
Oh, have you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I hadn't broke out of Dead River. I need to break out that ghost minnow.
I got all mine impregnated with garlic.
Oh, okay. So the sun's come out. So I like to fish when the sun busts out like that. I like to, on a cloudy day, if the sun starts busting out, I like to fish in the shade. Find a shady spot with some good depth to it. And look how tight these fish are into that brush. I mean, if you want to catch them, you're gonna have to go in there and get them. They are not coming out for this bait. They want you to get. They want you to get dirty.
Catch and release.
Catch and eat.
Catch and eat, baby.